Okay, now, we're going to factor sum of 2 cubes. Okay, ito yung pattern na gagamitin natin. Next, we have another example. Factor 8x cubed plus 125. Okay, next, express in exponential form. Okay, 8, it becomes 2 cubed. And then we have x cubed plus the exponential form of 125 is 5 cubed. Okay, same step pa rin. Gagamitin din natin yung pattern na ginamit natin doon sa example number 1, which is the sum of 2 cubes pattern. And then, rewrite natin yung exponential form. Then we have 2 cubed, x cubed plus 5 cubed. And then, to get the binomial factor, ang gagawin natin, kukunin lang natin yung roots, okay, ng exponential form natin, which is 2x plus 5. Or from the given 8x cubed plus 125 to get 2x, kukunin natin ang cube root ng 8. Cube root ng 8 is 2. Cube root ng x cube ay x. So that's why we have 2x. Okay, next, the cube root of 125 is 5. Again, our binomial factor is 2x plus 5. Now, to get the trinomial factor, okay, we square the first term of the binomial factor. We have 2x squared. 2 squared is 4. Then, we have x squared. So, that's why we have 4x squared. So, yung 4x squared na yan, lalagay natin dun sa first term ng trinomial. Okay, next, the second term of the binomial factor is 5. Let's square. So, 5 square means we multiply 5 2 times. So, we have 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, yun yung ilalagay natin doon sa last term ng trinomial factor. Positive 25. Now, to get the middle term of the trinomial factor, ang gagawin lang natin doon sa binomial factor natin, imumultiply natin ang first term, which is 2x. Ita-times natin sa second term ng binomial factor natin, which is 5. So, 2x times 5 is equal to 10x. So, yun yung ilalagay natin sa middle term. Okay, 10x. And then, yung negative sign, which is nasa pattern na negative, i-rewrite lang natin or just copy the sign of the middle term. Okay, next. Therefore, the factor of 8x cubed plus 125 is the quantity of 2x plus 5 times the quantity of 4x squared minus 10x plus 25. Now we